Numerical 1 of Chapter 4 Moving Charge and Magnetic Field. A long straight wire in horizontal plane carries a current of 50 ampere in north to south direction. Find the magnitude and direction of field at a point 2.5 meter east of wire. Now here value of current I is given, R is given. So for a long wire, we have the formula B is equals to mu 0 upon 4 pi 2I upon R. Here from the diagram you can easily understand, from north to south current is flowing, and we have a point P which is exactly above the point. So here, as I discussed about from, if the current is in positive x direction, flowing in positive x direction, so whenever we have a points above it, will have always magnetic field pointing upwards, vertically upwards. So we have all the values, we can substitute all the values in the formula, and answer we will get B is equals to 4 into 10 to power minus 6 Tesla. Now here, as we can see, magnetic field is pointing in upward direction.